Welcome back. Today we're cleaning outside and we're going to clean my very dirty air conditioner unit. The reason we want to do this is because when your unit gets all dirty and clogged up like this, it doesn't operate at maximum efficiency. It can cost you more money in the long run, and it just has to work harder to keep your house cool. Safety first, folks. We've shut the breaker off inside, but to be extra careful so that somebody doesn't like accidentally turn it on while we're out here doing our thing, we're also going to pull the fuse. So we need to get to the interior of this to clean it properly and completely. So we need to remove all of the bolts that are in here, and you don't want to use an impact or a drill on it because you can strip the bolts that are holding it on. Okay, so I've lifted the top up. It was a two-person job. I couldn't do it by myself because this is a humongous unit, okay? But you want to be careful because you can see up here that some of the coils, like the coils are just really, really fragile. That's why you're not supposed to pressure wash this off. We're going gentle with it. But you can even see like where it's been removed prior, the tops of the coils are bent here. So look at all of this like fluff, pollen, and gross stuff from the trees that has gotten stuck in here. And then the other thing that we want to make sure of is, see how I have this resting here? It's connected to wires. So you can't just like lift this whole entire top of the unit off and throw it on the ground. It's still connected. That's why we've cut the power. But I just want to point that out to you. So be careful when you're doing this. So what we want to do is take our shop vac and suck up all of this dirt. My unit is up off the ground, so it's actually not that dirty, but some of the units can be down on the ground and the little drain holes and everything can be clogged up. So you'll want to unplug those if you have that issue. I obviously don't, but we're still going to vacuum it out and clean it up and then get to work. Now for the fun part, we're going to spray the foam blaster on the coils. So we're going to do the exterior and the interior of it, and you're supposed to let it sit for about 5 to 8 minutes before you rinse it off. So let's get to work. Make sure you're wearing some gloves when you use the foam blaster. Normally I would go top to bottom, but this can literally says go bottom to top. So I'm going to mix things up a little bit today and shake the shit out of the can. Wear glasses. It's been over 5 to 8 minutes. We've let it sit for the right amount of time. Now it's time to hose it off. One thing is that you can't use like a straight stream on this. We want to use a shower spray, something like that, because we don't want to put too much pressure again on the coils because they are fragile. Oh, I can't believe how clean that's coming. Ooh. See how I'm not pressed? This is like not any pressure. Just, oh, this is so satisfying. Okay, look at the difference here in the before video, and then now look at the after. Okay, so I ended up using 3 cans of the foam blaster, and I maybe was a little heavy-handed with it, but also they sell it in a 3-pack, so that's probably why. I have a very big unit, but even if you use like 1 can and you had a smaller unit, you'd save it for the next time that you do it. I am impressed with this stuff, you guys, because honestly, when I had like all that fuzz and stuff stuck in here, I tried to like blow it out, and then I also tried to just hose it off with my hose with nothing. You need this to clean the coils because none of that stuff would come off without the special cleaner. So, and especially, it's like literally made by 2 HVAC guys, so it's made to do this. Literally, look at the cover. That's what it's made for. So anyways, this is amazing. I didn't have to call anybody to do it, and if your stuff isn't wrecked, just clean it.